Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you're fine and good. If you first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click like and enable the ring, and after enable the ring, click again on it to choose it all to get all notification for all new videos. If you already subscribed, don't forget to like and share to all get benefits. We will continue word sessions. We already know how to insert image in my previous session. Okay, now we will know how to change the options for the image, how to format it. Click on the image, choose picture format. This one to remove background, be careful, this is based on what's the background in the image and which image you choose it. Yani if we remove it here, you see it will remove the part from the hand, not all hand will be clear. Let me make it easy. You see, oh, it's damaged the image. No, this is not what I want. Yeah, be careful, this is not an option. I always give you the key, okay, and you must use your mind to do what you want. Okay, we will undo what we did, Control Z, it's back again. I will give you the key and you use it from your mind to see how I will change it, like I remove background but from another option. Format picture, okay, you see from this one, correction, okay, how to make it darker or lighter. Okay, you see from here, like shine, okay, I like, okay, I will make it as this degree, okay, I like it. You see now it's more clear. Background, it's like I remove it but I didn't remove it, I actually changed the lighting for the image. You see, yani this option, it's make two settings or two effects actually in the image, not only one. So I told you, use your mind always to do what you want to do. Second, color for the image, you can change the image color, black and white, you see, based on, of course I will leave it as a standard, but I show you what this want. This is effect, you see what it will be based on your document, what you want to affect it. This is transparency, okay, you see which one you wanted as you like and as your document based on your picture and more things. Type, this is too much big, like you see, not make it small, you need it and you need to cut some part of the image. From here, crop, you can crop this, you see from here, yeah, this part will be deleted from any way, up, down, right, left, which one you want, remove it, and after that press enter. Now you see it's cut it. Okay, for this is one. If I need to change the degree for it, okay, from here click on the picture image, also from this one, you see rotate it 90 degree, another 90 degree, okay, he also show you right way, left way, okay, flip way, you see it's already changed with you which one you wanted, or make it like or dislike. You see it's now very easy and simple, but of course leave it like I don't like the dislike. You got it, you got with the feature too. I will not make it the video too much longer from then. This is the most things you do it and you will use it also, and you have طبعا of course picture border, but no one use this one to make it border for the image because it's cancel what we do it, yani it's damage what we do it to make it like this. Now you get how to custom an effect and change affecting colors, lighting, more things to change it in your image and your word to make it very clear. I hope you get benefits from my video. Don't forget to do like this, I need stronger like, and share it to all get benefits. See you in another videos. Bye bye.